Imagine yourself in this Nissan 2017 Altima 2.5 SL. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include 9 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, radio data system, radio, Bose AM/FM CD MP3 audio system with Sirius XM, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, front dual-zone AC and rear window defroster. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.